we all go through seasons of life, and some of those seasons mean that we're accumulating things, we're buying homes and cars and jewelry and things like that. And that's just a wonderful season of life. But there's also other seasons of life where we're not using those things, or we simplify and our value system changes. And when your season for wearing fine jewelry has passed, you need a jeweler you can trust to help you with that. Since 1989, Garcia Co Jewelers has helped our customers and clients move from one season of life to the next by helping them get rid of their fine jewelry, diamonds, to move on to the next season with cash in hand. When you come to Garcia Co, we will give you a no obligation, no cost consultation. We want to educate you with what you do have, but what we are really looking for are large diamonds over a carat, fine gemstones, platinum jewelry. And then one of the things that a lot of folks don't know that we buy are, and trade in, will be Rolex watches and fine Swiss watches like Omega, Cartier, Patek Philippe. Any of those high-end Swiss brands we have customers for and will pay you for. We'll give you a market analysis, pay you immediately while you're in the store, and make it as easy and painless a process as possible.